Okay?
1 year.
Yes, for Cayman Insurance, let's say 100% or 80% sa operations diha nagdepend sa iya ha. So, we need to make sure that the gap nga kung sa bako mawa na ang Cayman or ang business owner for the next 5 years na agapoy mo cover nga income gapon. So, i-times sa 2 og 5 years old, that's gotta be 45 million nga business gap insurance or Cayman insurance.
No, so let's say for example kana bitang ang imong kiman, let's say no, ikaw owner, imong kiman is no, kana bitang medyo di na jud makabalik og work. So if you have this kiman insurance, you have this kuan ba nga, if you have this type of policy, you can look for someone nga I know irreplaceable man to siya, but we can
Yes.
look for like same skill ba, no? Sa you can
Credentials.
use that, yes. Wala siyang kiman insurance. So at least imong business is still operating even though the keyman is not there, still looking for it. Ano.
Oo. Nagyapon ang income bang 9 million per year even though nag-search pa og laing mo replace or nag-train pa sa mga anak nga mo handle sa business. At least kanang 5 years na gap, no? Even though wala na gyud to ang kato mag-income ina nga type, na ay money to cover it. Yes.